Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make caramelized onions, sweet golden brown treasures that add such a depth of flavor to your dishes. They're great on burgers, steaks, potatoes, salad, chicken, soup, and roasted vegetables. It really adds a lot. You can make them ahead of time and add them to your dishes throughout the week. Today I have cut up 3 medium to large onions. I sliced them in half and then cut them with the grain of the onion. I don't know if you can see, kind of the opposite way from cutting onion rings. I like to do it this way because it helps them to stay together and not break apart and get all stringy. So I just think they look nicer and they cook more even this way. When you do it, you want to try to get your slices to be all approximately the same. Start out, I am going to drizzle my pan with about 1/4 cup of olive oil, and I'm going to turn it on medium-high heat. And let me find my utensil. And I'm going to add in the onions and kind of break them up a bit. And I want to spread them out in my pan. I want to make sure at first they're going to sweat down and become translucent, but then what you are looking for is the step after that, which is to caramelize the sugar and get that golden brown sweet taste. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon or 2 of salt. I have pink Himalayan, but any variety will do. And I'm gonna let these cook down and check on them in a few minutes. Be back to show you the results. Just wanted to check back in with you. This is about at the 5-minute mark. You can see that there's some browning going on. I easily with my spatula or spoon, whatever you want to call it, so they're browning nicely. I'm going to check back in about another 5 minutes. It's also important, I know I'm stirring a lot here, but to let them be a little bit and not to be constantly stirring them. The browning really occurs when you let them rest. I'll be back to show you the 10. Okay, we're at the 10-minute mark, and you can see there's lots of browning and caramelizing starting to happen. I am going to just splash in a little bit of water and then reduce the heat more to a low medium temperature and let it go another 5. I'll check in with you then and show you or talk to you about a couple tips if you want to reduce the time it takes to do these, and stay tuned for my special ingredient at the end. See you later. Just checking back in with you. It's the 15-minute mark. I just wanted to show you how they're coming along. They're getting nice and soft and golden brown, and I'm just gonna let them saute up here for another 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna splash it with my secret ingredient. I did want to share with you a tip. If you want to speed up the process, the bigger the pan you have, and the smaller the piece of onion. You know, I did slices, but if you wanted to do them diced, the process does go a little quicker. So I'll be back in another 5 to show you our finished product. They smell amazing. They've caramelized up nice after 20 minutes, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of my secret ingredients, which is a splash of balsamic vinaigrette. It's totally optional, but it just sweetens and brings the flavor together. So just a splash, and stir it in. And it also helps to get some of the little bits of flavor that are at the bottom of the pan. It helps release those. And so I'm just going to turn off my heat and get a jar out to store in my delicious onions. I love to use them during the week. That way, if I'm making a quick burger or a chicken sandwich, or I want to put it in a soup or top it on my veggies, I don't have to spend the time during the week working on it. So there you have it, caramelized onions in about 20 minutes. Enjoy.